growing up, we had extra property and dirt bikes were a natural thing. But then I hopped in a car, I think like 9 years old, found a key, started it up, could barely see over the steering wheel, but smashed the throttle and revved it up and then threw it into drive and started spinning tires on the dirt, and that was it. And then after that came spinning the steering wheel left, right, and kind of throwing the car around. Scared the crap out of me, but I mean, it was an absolute blast and I was hooked since then.
Oh, we have a hard off at bus stop. Okay, Cody Mouse saved it. So, but Cody was at complete reverse lock 90 degrees. Thought I was going to steer across the track, and he actually saved it. Ran that Subaru rally line.
I mean, that's how you drive a Subaru, right? You stay in it.